Hi, I am Preeti. In this video, I am going to prove theorem 9.2 from chapter 9, which is two triangles on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. So, two triangles on the same base. So, we have one base and there is one triangle, and on the same base we have another triangle. Let's say this one. So if we have two triangle and between the same parallels, so these are parallel. So let's say this is A, B, C, D. So here we have two triangles. What? A, B, D on the same base AB, and another triangle is A, B, C. Correct? So we have to prove that area of ABC equals to area of ABD. That we have to equals to, okay? That we have to prove, okay? To prove. Okay? So on the same base, if there are two triangle ABD and ABC on the same parallels, means it's given BDC is parallel to AB. Correct? This is parallel to this. So we have to prove area of DAB equals to area of ABC. Okay? Now, for that we will do one construction. We will draw one perpendicular line from D, let's say this is E, on AB. So for that we will do one construction. DE is perpendicular to AB, and from C also same thing. So from C, one perpendicular as CF on AB, means this, and another one CF is perpendicular to AB. Okay, so what we have to prove? Area of these two triangles on the same base AB and same parallel DC and AB are equals. Got it? Now let's start. So hope you know about area of any triangle. So area of triangle equals to half into base into height. Correct? Area of triangle is half into base into height. So area of triangle ADB. What is area of triangle ADB? Equals to half into base. What is the base? Base is AB into height. Height is what? Height means what? Perpendicular distance between this vertex and this on the base. Correct? So this is D. So D is the height for this triangle ABD. Okay, so area of ADB equals to half into AB into DE. Fine. Now, area of another triangle. What is another triangle? ABC. The same which we have to prove. First ADB and then ABC equals to, for this triangle, what is the area? Half into base. What is the base? AB. Same base, because this ABC is also drawn on the same base AB. So AB is the base into height. What is the height for this? CF. Right? Now, if we have two parallel line like CD and AB, so the distance between them, two parallel lines, and the distance between them are always same, because these are parallel lines. So distance, this all distance will be equal. So you can write here distance between parallel lines are equals. Okay, so distance between parallel lines are equal. Okay, so what? DE equals to CF, right? Because DC is parallel to AB. Here you can also write because DC is parallel to AB. Okay, so DE equals to CF. Okay, So DE equals to CF. Okay. So area of ABC equals to what? Half into AB into what is CF? CF is DE. So instead of CF, we will write DE. Okay. Now, what is half into AB into DE? Half into AB into DE is area of ADB. So here we can say area of ABC equals to, instead of this, we will write area of ADB. The same thing we have to prove, right? So this is proved now. The same thing we have to prove, correct? So this is done now. If you have any doubt in this theorem, please write your comment in the comment section. Also, please like and share my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.